Welcome students on online class for the subject physics for the class 11 science and 12 science above the 12 science. Today we have to learn logarithmic and mathematical tables. So we want to learn about squares. So first, we in last previous video we have seen squares, some numbers which are having to find out squares. In square there is no mean difference, but when an example is given, solve 0.05342 into 10 to the power 8 square. If the number is given, we can find out two ways. Here, this is first way, and here this is second way. Second way is direct method to see the square. But in first way, we see that here 0.05342 multiplied by 0.05342. If square is there, we can multiply 2 times. If cube is there, we can multiply it in 3 times into 10 to the power 8 and 2, that is 16. Okay, if we can see log, here multiplication is there. In multiplication, logarithm can be seen by using the rule positive. Plus means addition is there. So here second rule is after decimal point 0 is there, after decimal point 0 is there, add 1. So it becomes bar 2 points and their addition. So first logarithm for 53. So in this vertical column we can see that 53 is there. Okay, and then 4, 2 is mean difference, means 53 in 4, that is 7275, and 2 is mean difference, 7275 and 2, that is 77. So here we can write as 7277. So for this we cannot see, we can write here 7277. Addition 14, 15, 5, 14 and bar 3. Take its antilog. When we can find out its antilog is 0.45 in 5. So here 0.45 in 5, that will be 2851, and 4 is mean difference. In 4, 3 is there, so it is 2.854 into 10 to the power 16 into 10 to the power minus 3, means it is 2.854 into 10 to the power 13. Its answer will be there. Okay, but in another way, second way we can see squares. Number is there, so by shifting the number, what happen? See here, when we shift the number by 4 digits, so we can written as 534.2 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, means it can shift it towards positive direction. So 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power 8 bracket square. Here we can written as 534.2 into 10 to the power 4, that square. Okay, so we can only see the 3 digits. Fourth digit can be negligible. So here we see 53. We can see 53 in 4. That is 28 285156. We can written as 285156 into 10 to the power 8. Means this decimal point when shifted here. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see that 2.851 into 10 to the power 5 and 8, that is 13. So your answer will be 2.851. That will be answer, which is approximately similar as both way. Means whenever in calculation square is given, then we can use the square two way. But whenever in calculation cube is there, sometimes cube is there, then in this first way 3 times number will be multiplied. Then we see logarithm, add them, anti-logarithm, and then we can find out their answer. But here in cube, so there is no option for seeing the cube. We can see only the squares. Okay, another example. Suppose we want to find another second example is given, and this second example, that will be 492552 into 10 to the power minus 4 bracket square. Example, solve it. Then we can also solve by shifting the decimal. If the decimal point is shifting, suppose decimal point is here at the last number, then when the decimal point is shifted towards 3 digits, so we can written as 492.552 into 10 to the power, shifting how many decimals? 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 bracket square. When we see the square, so we can written as 492.5 into 10 to the power minus 1 raised to 2. Okay. So here only 3 digits can be used for seeing the square, 492. So 492, it will be 4949 and it is in 2. Here 240242064. So here we can written as 242064 into 10 to the power minus 2. So your answer will be when the decimal point is shifted towards 2 digits or it is shifted towards 5 digits. So answer will be 2.420 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 2. So what happened? From this 5, 2 can be remaining, 2 can be subtracted. So here answer will be 2.420 into 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3. Okay, means we can solve using the squares many numericals. In many numericals, whenever there is square is there, so using square facility or using logarithmic and anti-logarithmic facility, we can solve it. So here an assignment is given to you for solve. See here, an assignment is given to you for solving the squares or solving it. The first assignment will be 53.2 square. We can see by using square. Second will be 1.492 square. You can find out. Third will be 523.232 square. You can find out by using the logarithm or by using log table. So here fourth, in fourth we can shift the decimal point, then we can see the square. In fifth we can also shift the decimal point, then we can see the square. Here solve the following. 47.32 cube. When cube is there, then there is no facility for finding cube, but there is a facility for logarithm. So 3 times 47.32 multiplied by 47.32 multiplied by 47.32, then we can add them, take its antilog, so we can find out their cube. Here similarly we can find out their fourth power. Similarly we can find out their fifth power by using logarithmic as well as anti-logarithm. So also here we can also use to find cube. Cube means 3 times, but whenever 5 and 19 they are multiplied, minus sign is there, so minus, plus sign is there, so it becomes plus. So when by using this, when we solve the all numericals or all the given in assignment, so you can use the logarithm to find out squares, to find out cubes, to find out fourth powers, to find out fifth power. Okay.